Speed. Exact. Flexible. Smooth. These are all the elements of the machines and vehicles in this clip. Do you know how to cut wood properly? How to harvest and process it? Let's explore today's video together. A truck carrying wood is facing a difficult situation as it gets stuck in the mud on a slippery road, unable to move. Despite trying several methods to free itself, the truck remains stuck in the thick mud. The road itself is already rough and hard to navigate, and now with the truck stuck, the transportation work has been disrupted. In this scenario, they need to find another vehicle, one that is stronger and capable of pulling the wood truck out of this rough and unkempt road. This will not only help the truck get out of the mud, but also ensure that the wood transport process can continue, preventing any delays in the work. Everyone is hoping that with timely assistance, the truck will be able to get back on its journey safely. A truck with an arm equipped with a cutting machine is operating at full capacity. This arm is designed to reach difficult positions, and the cutting machine at the end of the arm is capable of cutting trees with ease. Each movement is carried out precisely, allowing the wood cutting process to be fast and efficient. The cutting machine operates powerfully and accurately, allowing the truck to handle the task without any obstacles. The end of the arm is equipped with a sharp cutting component that can cut exactly where the operator needs it. Thanks to this special design, cutting wood has become easier and more time-efficient than ever. The forklift and bulldozer are tirelessly working to move the trees that have been cut down from the forest onto the truck. The forklift uses its cranes and hooks to lift the heavy logs and load them onto the truck with precision. At the same time, the bulldozer clears the path, making it easier for the logs to be loaded onto the truck. Both machines are working in harmony, operating at full capacity to quickly transport the large amount of wood out of the forest. They make the job more efficient, reducing time and effort, while ensuring the transportation process is safe and free from complications. This giant machine is working powerfully and efficiently as it picks up large logs and feeds them into the grinding drum. The drum operates at full capacity to crush the logs into small fragments, turning them into fine wood chips that can be used for various purposes. The wood grinding process not only helps recycle natural resources, but also supports the production of products like wood pellets, paper, and other materials. This machine is designed to handle large volumes of wood in a short amount of time, improving work efficiency and reducing labor costs. These young men are accompanying a small motorcycle, but what is surprising is that the motorcycle is carrying large logs. At first, many people couldn't believe that such a small vehicle could carry such a large load of wood. However, the power and durability of the motorcycle proved its strength, leaving everyone amazed by its transport capacity. Despite its small size, the motorcycle, with its special design and powerful engine, can easily carry heavy logs. After some time traveling on the rough road, the logs were finally taken out of the forest. Although the journey faced several challenges, thanks to the motorcycle's ability to overcome obstacles, the task was successfully completed. The successful transport of these large logs is a testament to the perfect combination of the motorcycle's power and the determination of the young men involved in the task. A truck carrying small logs was crossing a river when it suddenly got stuck in the mud. The wheels couldn't move, and instead they started rolling in the mud, creating a rare and interesting scene. Although the truck was facing difficulties, this turned out to be a unique image, highlighting the unexpected situations that can occur in the transportation process. The drivers and people around were left astonished by this unusual sight. His workers using a large chainsaw to fell a big tree. At first, the task may seem simple and easy, but once he begins cutting, he realizes just how challenging the job really is. The chainsaw, though powerful and sharp, requires great precision and care to cut through such a large and thick trunk. With each cut, he must carefully adjust the cutting force to ensure the tree falls in the right direction and avoid mistakes that could cause danger. Every stroke of the chainsaw is carefully calculated, as even a small mistake could cause the tree to fall incorrectly or lead to problems after the cut is made. The worker doesn't rush. Instead, he patiently works step by step, paying close attention to every detail. After a period of hard work under the scorching sun, the tree begins to weaken and shows signs of falling. When it finally starts to lean, a loud thud resonates powerfully, catching everyone's attention. The sound of the wood hitting the ground is unique, distinct from any other sound, clear and impressive. Despite the difficulties of the task, with relentless effort, the worker successfully completes an important job.
Da ist zum Aufhocken, deswegen zum Aufhocken, weil so warm ist da. Da sind sie keine Maschinen rein. Das sind die Maschinen gewesen und dann haben sie gesagt, stopp. Das ist eine andere Firma gewesen. Jetzt müssen wir das fertig machen, weil die haben sich nicht drüber gesehen. Zeit, da ist sie. Wir sollten ein paar umschneiden und immer einen draufsalzen. Anders geht es eh nicht. Tag und Nacht. Schönes Holz. Schönes Holz. Ist so, ist so. Ja.
This worker is using a chainsaw to fell the tree. At first, the task seems simple, but once he starts cutting, he realizes just how challenging it actually is. The chainsaw, though powerful and sharp, requires great care and skill with each cut. Cutting through the thick trunk is not easy, especially when dealing with the hardness and sturdiness of the wood. After a period of hard work, he finally completes the task. When the tree starts to fall, a loud thud echoes, clear and powerful, which sounds fascinating and impressive, marking a moment of success.
Es steht ein paar Meter unten Stück. Und bergauf sind. Schauen wir mal. Kein Problem. Ja, so läuft das.
Oh my God, the sight of these trees falling is truly fascinating. The powerful sound when the large logs hit the ground creates an indescribable feeling of excitement. Every time I see these giant trees fall, I feel the strength of nature and human labor. These images are so captivating, and I really enjoy watching them. The coconut trees may seem fragile and easy to break, but in reality, they are very strong and sturdy. This man wants to fell the coconut tree, but it's not an easy task. He has to spend a lot of time and effort to bring it down, with each cut requiring precision. Although it seems simple, felling the coconut tree requires patience and skill, as rushing could lead to danger. Finally, after a long period of hard work, he successfully brings the tree down to the ground. This wood crusher may be compact, but it is extremely powerful and efficient. Each time logs are fed into the machine, they are quickly crushed into small fragments, losing their original shape. These small wood pieces are then used in various processes, from producing wood pellets, making paper, to creating building materials. Despite its small size, the machine's ability to process wood is impressive, delivering high work efficiency and saving time.